you can like really stop believing in the enemy if you're not careful. You know what I mean? You can start thinking, wow, we're just that good. We got the flow. And then, the reality is we're protecting these clients that, are worth billions. You can run into a sophisticated attack. And so do you know that your teams are prepared? Do you know that your employees, your agents that you have out in the field are prepared? Do you know you yourself have been taught ways to deal with these things? These are the questions that I want you to look in the mirror and ask yourself. When's the last time you went through someone or some training that's going to have you execute these operations with stress involved, that someone's going to teach you how to do it and build you up so that you can operate in these types of situations.